Master title: Maximizing ROI, Strategies for Optimizing Lead Generation Investments. In the pursuit of business success, effective lead generation plays a pivotal role. Allocating a substantial budget of 1.50 lakhs towards lead generation endeavors, your team embarked on a journey to acquire quality leads and convert them into valuable clients. Despite meticulous efforts and dedication, the outcome revealed a stark reality. Generating 100 quality leads and securing a 10% client closure translated into revenue of only 15 lakhs from a mere 10 clients. This scenario prompts a critical examination of your lead generation strategies and investment allocation. While achieving a significant number of leads is commendable, the conversion rate and revenue fall short of expectations. It's evident that a mere increase in the budget does not guarantee proportional returns. Therefore, it becomes imperative to recalibrate your approach and implement strategies that optimize every aspect of the lead generation process. 1. Refining target audience segmentation. Start by reassessing your target audience segmentation. Identify specific demographics, interests, and pain points that resonate with your ideal clients. Tailoring your lead generation efforts towards these segments increases the likelihood of attracting qualified leads who are genuinely interested in your offerings. 2. Enhancing lead nurturing techniques. Focus on nurturing leads throughout the entire customer journey. Implement personalized communication strategies, such as email campaigns, targeted content, and follow-up calls, to maintain engagement and build trust. By providing value and addressing their needs consistently, you increase the chances of converting leads into paying clients. 3. Leveraging marketing automation tools. Invest in robust marketing automation tools to streamline lead management processes. Automate repetitive tasks, such as lead scoring, follow-up reminders, and drip campaigns, to optimize efficiency and productivity. By leveraging technology, you can effectively manage leads at scale while ensuring timely and relevant communication. 4. Implementing data-driven decision-making. Utilize data analytics to gain insights into lead behavior and campaign performance. Identify patterns, trends, and areas for improvement to refine your lead generation strategies continuously. By making data-driven decisions, you can allocate resources more effectively and maximize ROI. 5. Fostering strategic partnerships. Explore opportunities for strategic partnerships and collaborations within your industry. Aligning with complementary businesses or influences can expand your reach and access new pools of leads. By leveraging existing networks and resources, you can accelerate lead generation efforts and increase revenue potential. In conclusion, while an initial investment of 1.50 lakhs for lead generation is substantial, achieving optimal results requires a multifaceted approach. By refining audience segmentation, enhancing lead nurturing techniques, leveraging automation tools, implementing data-driven decision-making, and fostering strategic partnerships, you can maximize ROI and propel your business towards sustainable growth and success. Free consultation now. +91 9864855058 9864170343।
इंट्रोडक्शन। इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब *** इंग्लिश ***। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया। I am Durlav Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।